Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you how to build out a simple digital clock kind of a desktop application inside the Tkinter application. So let me show you the demo here. As soon as I launch this application, it will display the current time here in correct format. So it's 6:56 a.m. So you can actually pin this application. So in a if you're working on a laptop, then you can simply uh, open this application in the background and it will display the current date and current time here like this. So inside VS Code, if you're writing code, you can actually open this application in background. So it's a simple digital kind of a clock, kind of an application which displays the current time in correct format. So I will show you how to build this application very easily inside Python in Tkinter. So all the source code is given in the description. So first of all, you need to import the Tkinter module and it's built in inside Python. So you import this like this. And also we import the custom theme of Tkinter like this. After that, we use the time module inside Python, and from this we import this specific method to display the time, and then we initialize the window like this tk, and then we can actually set some properties specifically regarding the window, which is the title of the application, which is digital clock, and then we define a function time, and here we specifically use this function which is that we imported, and here we provide the which format you want to display the time here. So this is essentially this format. After that, we simply set this to the label here, which label you want to display this. So after each second, we will be updating the time. So for this, we will just be adding a simple label widget to the root window, and you can use any font of your choice. So you can set the size and bold, and then you can set the background as well. So you can set the background to, let's suppose, yellow, and then the foreground color you can even control it. Let's suppose I set it to black, and then we simply add this label to the by using the pack method to the screen and anchor, make it in the center position, and then we call the time method and then call the main loop method. That's all. So this is all that we need to do. If I again launch this application, you will see the application will look something like this. So in this easy way, you can make a digital clock kind of a desktop application inside Tkinter inside Python. Thank you very much for watching this video, and also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.